This is new equipment I installed. I took it from Uday Mondkar. This instrument, I have a solar system. There is a solar what do you say, it's a controller and CPU 4 kilowatt system, and all watt meter and everything. So there is a main power coming from here, and I have installed this equipment here. If the main goes off by any chance and my AC is on solar, and if the main goes on, this gives me a signal, and then I just off it, and then I just close my AC and other equipments like capital equipments like fridge, compressor equipments like and rotary equipments like washing machine and water dispenser, coolers. So those have compressors. I close it, and then when the electricity comes back, this main line, it gives me again a signal that the electricity has come back. So I again switch on the AC and other capital equipment. So this is very good equipment for letting us know when the electricity is going and when the electricity is coming back. But the electric power will not suffer because everything is on solar and with the battery backup down. So I just off the light because I wanted to show you the emergency light which is provided with the equipment. So this is the system, and this is the controller, and this is a power bank of 4 batteries, 200 and it operates on solar. But benefit of this equipment is when the light will come, it will give me a signal. When the light will go, it will give me a signal. So that is the benefit.